Hello, good morning. I hope you having a wonderful day. So today we're continuing on writer's effect. Just want to make a reminder of some things that usually mistaken. So you can make mistakes, and I just want to make a reminder in order to avoid those mistakes. So for writer's effect, remember you are writing the things that a writer has applied in order to add a certain effect to make it more effective. So for you, your task will choose those ones and explain them as fully as you can. Remember, explain them as fully as you can. All right. So here, sometimes it's very easy for you. It's your students make a mistake of saying, for example, I'll write it here. Say here the phrase um, right, the phrase locked up is showing how the bird was. Okay, so let's explore that sentence here. The phrase locked up is showing how the bird was. So you write that, and that's not a full answer. I do not expect you to think that's a full answer. Why? Because if you say that's showing how the bird was, but you haven't explained. I see that mistake in many students. I see it in many students. You have to explain what is it. Is it comparing one thing to the other? For example, locked up. For example, you can say um, the phrase locked up. Okay, is showing is giving connotations of something that is what that is rather that is imprisoned. Okay, so that's a very good first start, isn't it? So here, if you compare between the two, if you compare between this one and this one here, we can see there's a very big difference. There's a very big difference. It, but just by stating and say how showing how the bed was, it's not quite enough, isn't it? You have to explain how it was. That's what we're looking for. How it was, not say how the bed was, or etc. etc. So you have to. The explanation itself is very important. Yeah, how the bird was is not sufficient enough. I need you to explain further how it was. So yeah, guys, here you have to focus on expanding. Alright, have to focus on giving out words to expand further, explain further, but don't just say, it shows how it was. That one. It's a very common mistake I will make. Alright, we are looking for explanation, but just by stating it is not enough. Explain further, connotations, explanations, so on and so forth. Alright, understood. So yeah, that's a very common mistake I see in many of the students. I hope you are going to rectify this. Okay, you are going to avoid this mistake. There's an excess below. I hope you will do it. I've seen many of you do not submit your exercise, which is very sad. You need to submit them so I can know which part you're making mistakes. Have a wonderful day.